How to make a passport size photos using software. This question is very common nowadays because in every online admission or data entry form you have to upload a passport size photo. Don't worry, I will give answer of this question in this video. What size is a passport photo in pixels? Sister, no. Size, cm, size, inches, size, pixels. 15.08 x 5.08 cm 2 x 2 inches 600 x 600 pixels. 23.81 x 3.81 cm 1.5 x 1.5 inches 450 x 450 pixels. 3.5 x 4.5 cm 1.38 x 1.77 inches 413 x 531 pixels. 4.5 x 3.5 cm 1.38 x 1.38 inches 413 x 413 pixels. 5.3 x 4 cm 1.18 x 1.57 inches 5.4 x 472 pixels. 6.5 x 7 cm 1.97 x 2.76 inches 591 x 827 pixels. 7.3 x 4.8 m 1.30 x 1.89 inches 390 x 567 pixels. Common passport photo size. The most used sizes are 2x 2 inches and 3.5x 4.5 cm. First part is horizontally measured. Second part is vertically measured. 3.5x 4.5 cm equals 413x 531 pixels. Don't worry, follow my steps to make a photo. First, you should have a Format Factory software. Enlarge size photo to convert into passport size. Without wasting your time, let's start. First, open Format Factory software. Now click Picture tab. Select an image extension, such as JPG, JPEG, ICO, IBM, PNG, GIF, etc. I click on JPG because most photos are always in JPG format. Now set the output setting of photo. Click Output setting. Now add required size by width and height. By pixels. Now go to table and select a particular size. I will choose third option because it is very common passport size photo. Add pixels ratios and click OK. Now click Add File. Now choose a particular photo. Now click OK. To start to convert, click Start. Now wait, photo is converting into passport size. Open it. Pixels ratios and click OK. Now click Add File. Now choose a particular photo. Now click OK. To start to convert, click Start. Now wait, photo is converting into passport size. Open it, you will get your passport size photo. Click Open folder. Repeat the same procedure for different sizes. Thanks to watch my video. Please subscribe my channel AR Techniques.